Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 man, we got Easy Go here. I just wanted to do this video, man, for one thing. I get a lot of questions about the solenoid, all right? So I'm going to explain to y'all how it works and what it does. All right, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to show this to you. I'm going to show this to you here. Put the black lead on the main ground. Take my red lead, I'm going to put it here. You can see there I have 37 volts. Over here I have 36 volts. But all that's doing, that doesn't mean that you have voltage going across. That just means that you have voltage there and it's feeding over the resistor, which is causing everybody to think you have voltage. But you do, but it's voltage with no amp draw. That's just voltage there to keep the capacitors inside the controller charged up so it don't fry it. Don't have no voltage here. Don't have no voltage here. Now, the main important thing here is, if you'll look right here on this diode, you'll see you have a silver band. What that means is this goes toward the hot side of the wire. So if you take this and flip it around and put the line near the ground, and you have the reed switch bypass like this car is, it's going to fry the pedal switch. If you don't have your reed switch bypass, which is your safety lockout for the charger, you're going to fry the mic switch in the floor. So the best thing to do, man, is do this right here. Take your pair of cutters. Just do away with it, man. You don't need it. All it is, in case something shorts out and it puts battery voltage backwards, or if lightning strikes the car. You don't need it, man. There's so many other safety precautions on this car that it's not going to hurt nothing. I just want to show everybody that. Remember, if you have voltage on both sides of the big post, it's not going to hurt nothing because it's dead voltage. Now, on the car that has the toe switch, you'll notice you have voltage here and you'll have voltage here on the small post. But remember this, the solenoid is nothing but a copper windings inside of it. It's little small copper wires that wraps around, and that's what makes the solenoid. So think about it. If it ain't nothing but a copper wire that's connected, why wouldn't you read voltage here? But like there again, it's dead voltage, no amp draw. When you hit the gas on any car with a toe switch, it flips this to a ground. Most times it's blue. This is a series card, so you get a ground straight from the controller here. They don't make it and break it through the controller. All right, I just want to show y'all that. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'll post some more. Hey, hey, hey.